My government will be a government encouraging business, because we know that the job of government is not to do business, but to provide the enabling environment for businesses to thrive.
A beacon of hope emerged in Abia State with the inauguration of Alex Otti as governor. This marks the dawn of a new era, an era of dynamic leadership, visionary governance, and relentless commitment to public service. Let's journey together back to the roots of this remarkable leader. Born into humble beginnings, Alex Otti was a beacon of brilliance from an early age. His thirst for knowledge led him to the prestigious University of Port Harcourt, where he excelled in his studies and showcased his leadership potential. His dedication and hard work were rewarded with a degree in economics, equipping him with the knowledge and skills to navigate the complex world of finance. But Otti's journey didn't end there. His passion for service led him to pursue a career in banking, where he rose through the ranks to become the group managing director of Diamond Bank. Here, he honed his leadership skills, demonstrating a unique ability to motivate and inspire his team to achieve their best. Yet, the call to serve his people was too strong to ignore. Guided by his core values of integrity, accountability, and selfless service, Otti ventured into the world of politics. His mission was clear: to use his wealth of experience and deep understanding of economics to bring about meaningful change in his beloved Abia State. His journey to the governorship was not an easy one. It was a path fraught with challenges and obstacles, but Otti, with his characteristic resilience and determination, persevered. He stood firm, fueled by his unyielding belief in the potential of Abia State and its people. In the end, his dedication and commitment paid off. The people of Abia State recognized his vision, his passion, and his unwavering commitment to their well-being. They saw in him a leader with the courage to confront the status quo, the wisdom to chart a new course, and the resolve to see it through. Thus began a journey of transformation with Alex Otti at the helm. His story is a testament to the power of perseverance, the importance of integrity, and the transformative potential of visionary leadership. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the remarkable tenure of this dynamic leader in the coming scenes. As governor, Otti wasted no time in setting his vision for Abia State into motion. He stepped into office with a clear agenda, one that was rooted in the principles of transparency, accountability, and citizen participation. Otti's administration was a breath of fresh air. His commitment to transparency was evident right from the start. He sought to eliminate the shroud of secrecy that had long hung over the state's affairs. He introduced measures to ensure that the government's operations were open and accessible to the public, fostering a culture of openness that had been lacking. Accountability was another key area of focus for Otti. He believed that those in positions of power should be held responsible for their actions. To this end, he implemented policies that promoted responsible governance and deterred corruption. His efforts in this regard sent a clear message that negligence and corruption would not be tolerated under his watch. But perhaps one of Otti's most commendable moves was his push for citizen participation. He understood that the people needed to have a say in the decisions that affected their lives. He championed initiatives that encouraged citizens to get involved in governance, making them active participants in the transformation of their state. Otti also had a keen eye on the state's infrastructure. He embarked on massive projects to revamp the state's roads, schools, hospitals, and other public facilities. His administration prioritized public service delivery, making significant improvements in areas such as healthcare, education, and waste management. These immediate changes that Otti implemented had a profound impact. They signified a shift in the way things were done. They represented a move away from the old ways of doing things towards a more progressive way of thinking and acting. Otti's decisive actions marked the start of a new era in Abia State. an era that was characterized by transparency, accountability, and citizen participation. An era where the people's needs were prioritized and public service delivery was improved. An era that made it clear that under Otti's leadership, Abia State was set on a path to greatness. Otti's visionary leadership extended beyond immediate concerns, with a future-focused approach to governance. He wasn't satisfied with merely resolving today's issues. He was determined to prepare Abia State for a prosperous future. His strategic planning for the state's long-term development was evident in several key areas. Education was a primary focus. Understanding that knowledge is the cornerstone of a progressive society, Otti invested heavily in educational initiatives. He prioritized the construction of modern classrooms, the training of qualified teachers, and the implementation of innovative curriculum. He knew that by investing in the minds of the youth, he was shaping the future of Abia State. Healthcare, too, was a sector where Otti's forward thinking was evident. He saw the need for accessible, quality healthcare for all citizens and made it a reality. New hospitals and clinics were built, existing ones were upgraded, and healthcare personnel were adequately trained and resourced. Otti understood that a healthy population is a productive one. In the realm of technology, Otti was ahead of the curve. He recognized the importance of digital literacy in the 21st century and ensured that Abia State was not left behind. He facilitated the establishment of technology hubs and digital training centers. He promoted sustainable economic growth, focusing on sectors that would provide long-term benefits rather than short-term gains. Otti's future-focused approach was not just about making Abia State a better place to live in the present. It was about creating a state that was prepared for the future, a state that could adapt to change, and a state that could provide for its citizens for generations to come. Under Otti's leadership, Abia State thrived, with a future brighter than ever before. His vision and strategic planning laid the groundwork for a prosperous, sustainable future. This is the legacy of Alex Otti, a leader truly ahead of his time. A lasting legacy is not just about the physical structures built, it's about the impact made on the lives of the people. And that's precisely what Alex Otti achieved. He was not just a governor, he was a transformational leader who used his position to bring about significant improvements in the quality of life, economic prosperity, and social cohesion in Abia State. From the bustling markets of Aba to the serene landscapes of Umuahia, the people of Abia State experienced a marked improvement in their daily lives under Otti's leadership. He prioritized the welfare of the people, investing heavily in healthcare, education, and social services. He understood that the true wealth of a state lies in its people, and he worked tirelessly to ensure that every citizen had the opportunity to thrive. Under Otti's watch, Abia State saw an unprecedented increase in economic prosperity. He fostered an environment conducive for businesses to flourish, creating jobs and boosting the local economy. He understood that a thriving economy is the backbone of any successful state, and he made sure that Abia State was no exception. Otti also championed the cause of social cohesion. He believed in the power of unity and worked to foster a sense of togetherness among the diverse groups within the state. He encouraged cultural exchanges, promoted mutual respect, and celebrated the rich diversity that makes Abia State unique. But perhaps one of the most significant aspects of Otti's legacy is his commitment to good governance and civic responsibility. He led by example, demonstrating transparency, accountability, and a relentless commitment to serving the people of Abia State. He instilled a culture of civic responsibility, encouraging citizens to take an active role in shaping the future of their state. Alex Otti's legacy is one of transformation, progress, and hope. His leadership has left an indelible mark on Abia State, setting the bar high for future leaders. His legacy serves as a beacon of what good governance can achieve, inspiring hope for a brighter future in Abia State and beyond. Alex Otti's achievements as Governor of Abia State set a new standard for leadership in Nigeria. His story and accomplishments are not just a testament to his abilities, but a reflection of the transformative power of dedicated, visionary leadership. Let's take a moment to reflect on the key points we've discussed in this video. Otti has demonstrated an unwavering dedication to public service. He has prioritized the welfare of the citizens of Abia State, ensuring that their needs are met, their voices are heard, and their lives are improved. His commitment is more than just a promise. It's a principle that guides every decision he makes, every policy he implements, and every project he undertakes. But Otti's leadership isn't just about dedication, it's about vision. He has shown us what it means to be future-focused, to plan for tomorrow while acting today. His approach has brought about a new era in Abia State, one characterized by progress, development, and growth. And it's not just the physical landscape that's changing, it's the social, economic, and cultural fabric of the state that's being transformed. And then there's the lasting impact of his tenure. Otti's legacy isn't just a list of achievements, it's a blueprint for effective leadership. It's a model of governance that puts the people first. It's a testament to the power of resilience, determination, and unwavering commitment to the greater good. In the grand tapestry of Nigerian history, the threads of Alex Otti's leadership are woven with the colors of hope, change, and service. His story is one of a man who dared to dream, dared to act, and dared to make a difference. And so, we come to the end of our journey, but the story of Alex Otti's leadership continues to unfold. In the annals of Nigerian history, Alex Otti stands out as a beacon of hope, an agent of change, and a true servant of the people.